Okay, 101.1 Spirit FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Give an applause, guys. All right. Now, uh, before I continue to our topic discussion of today, I would like to introduce the program first. Now, Smart FM have the program where weekly on Tuesday night every at 7 p.m. we talk a discussion about a topic with English community of Makassar. So before I continue, maybe we would I give you a chance to introduce yourself first. Maybe start with my right side first.
Okay, good night, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Christophorus E.N. Salai. You may call me Christo. I am from PMEC or Poltek Para Makassar English Club. Should I say another things or
Maybe
just-
like you could introduce more about your community, like what's
Ah.
the agenda of your community?
Okay, my community has an agenda like weekly routine. We usually meet up with our members and talk talk some topics that we could speak, and we learn and we fix our pronunciation and learn how to speak more efficiently in English.
Oh, so like your community have this program where we could learn and train our speaking ability.
And we also sometimes including a games, so they wouldn't be so. I think so the routine could be more interested for them.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm sorry. Oh, what should we call you again?
Christo.
Oh, okay. So, Christo, thank you for your statement. Now we will moving to the next side of me. Could you introduce yourself
Okay,
and your community?
Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian. I'm from BPEC. BPEC stand for Benteng Panua English Club.
Benteng Panua English Club.
BPEC held every Sunday morning at Fort Rotterdam. Start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay.
Yes.
So BPEC does it open for public?
Yeah, open for public and
Oh.
it's free.
Oh, it's free.
Yes.
So it's open for public and it's free.
Yeah.
Do you guys for to join to become a member? Is it have to be like some kind of filter or what? Or is it already public?
Yeah, in BPC only for public. There is how to say? There is yeah. I'm the one of the member of BPC. So if you interested to join, just join with us, and if you maybe you can invite your friend, your family, your parents. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, that's good. BPEC, right?
Yeah, BPEC.
What should we call you again? Sorry.
Rian.
Oh, Rian.
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
Rian. Thank you for your statement.
Okay.
Now I will move to the left side of my row. Maybe start with you first. Could you
Okay.
introduce yourself and your community?
Okay, thank you for your for chance. Good evening, everyone. My name is Gede Samarbawa. You can call me Gede. I'm from UKM Bahasa Politeknik Negeri Unyu Pandang, or we can call it UKM Bahasa State Politeknik of Negeri Unyu Pandang.
Oh yeah. So does UKM Bahasa PNUP is available only for the student in PNUP, or is it open for public to join?
Well, our community is the activities is open for public, so those who want to learn English, which is speaking, listening, or reading, they can join in our community to learn about English.
Oh, okay. So like if I wanted to join, where should I like find the social media of UKM Bahasa?
Okay, about the activities, about what we do about learning the English, you can follow our social media at UKM Bahasa Penupe. That
Okay,
is
that's
Instagram
okay.
and Facebook and YouTube.
Oh,
Okay.
so it's all the same name.
Yeah.
Okay, make sure to follow, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What's your name again?
Gede.
Gede. So we called you Gede.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to the left side of yours. Could you introduce yourself and your community?
Okay, thank you for the chance. Well, my name is Richard Siaya. You can call me Richard. I actually from BPC. Let me explain the BPC activity on Sunday morning because my previous friend doesn't explain it. So in the morning we conduct a weekly discussion.
Oh,
And
weekly discussion.
yeah, we divide several people or several participants into several groups, which make them to discuss several topic that we have prepared it, and the topic discussion based on the paper that we share into the social media, especially on Instagram and our WhatsApp group. And then after we have break on 11:40 until 12:30, and then we continue our second section. It's about debate section. Okay, actually we just have a debate sections such as like for the government and the opposite section. It's only two section. There's no British Parliament or Asian
So not
Parliament.
using British parliamentary.
Yeah, there's no any parliament in our debate section. It's just a general debate.
Oh yeah.
After that, on 2 p.m. on 1:30 p.m. we have building skill. Actually given by our senior. After building skill, we have entertainment. It's such as kind like of perform a music or perform a show. Who have ability to sing or probably stand-up comedy. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's all from my explanation. Thank you,
Okay. So what should we call you again?
Richard.
Okay, Richard. If I say I wanted to join your community, BPEC, right? Where do I have to see more, or maybe you could say, where do I find more information about your community? Do you guys have like social media or what we can follow?
Yes, obviously we actively on Instagram. Our Instagram username is @BPEC Makassar.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That's introduction for all of the speakers here. Oh, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Chit Putra Suryono as your host for today's program, Smart of Your Life. Now, after introducing ourselves, we are going to move to our topic of today's program, and that's do you guys know this is the first day of one of the holy month in Indonesia. Do you guys know it? What is the month called?
Ramadan.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, Rian is so good, understood about Ramadan. Okay, so today's topic, we would like to learn and hear about your statement, about your opinion on tolerance in Ramadan month. Since I believe most of you guys are from non-Muslims. That's right.
I'm a Muslim.
So, well, Rian alone is a Muslim, but we all, I believe we all here, most of us are non-Muslims. So it's a very good topic, tolerance in Ramadan month. So maybe I could start with Christoph first. What do you think about this topic?
Okay. For me, the topic is it's good to bring in this month because this month is where we belong to show back our tolerance as non-Muslim to the Muslims brothers and sisters.
Yeah, that's
So I think it's a great change to shows how we tolerance their event in this month, and we keep a good relation. We keep a good activity to show maybe that this tolerance, what could make this tolerance more embraced in the future.
Oh, so it's from different perspective on how we embrace Ramadan month, not just from our brother and sister from Muslims, but also from non-Muslims.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think that's a very very good statement. Now, could you please, Rian?
Yes.
If I'm right, Rian, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Rian. As a Muslim yourself,
Okay.
what do you think about this topic?
Okay. This topic is talking about tolerance. Yeah.
Yeah,
Me.
that's right.
Me as a Muslim, yeah, is very happy to hear about Ramadan because Ramadan is only one
Once a year.
Yeah, it's a once from a year.
Oh
for a
yeah,
year,
yeah, that's
yes,
right, that's right.
because, yeah, and now we are conducting Ramadan month, and yeah, in Ramadan we have like we are fasting until dawn prayer. I mean, how to say, Maghrib prayer.
Oh
prayer,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
And we should like we should control our emotion, our not only our thirst or our hungry.
Yeah.
And we have to control, like we have to give tolerance with another religion. And we have to like, yeah, be kind person.
Oh yeah.
Because as a Muslim, in Ramadan we have how to say, berlipat ganda,
Multiply.
pahala. Yeah, multiply of our pahala.
Oh.
Yeah, our bless.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, according to your statement,
Yes.
Ramadan is a very very rare event,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
we held only once
only
month a year. Yeah.
Only once.
1 month a year.
Yeah, 1 month a year. Yes.
Oh yeah, so it's a very very like big event for
Yeah, big
our
event,
brother and
yes.
Muslim.
Yeah.
Ah yeah, that's actually a very good statement.
Yes.
You're also explaining about what's fasting itself.
Yes.
It's pretty good,
Yeah.
Rian.
Yes.
Now I would like to move to the left side
Okay.
of the speakers. Now maybe we could start with sorry Gede, but maybe we could start with Christo, right? No. Richard. Okay. Maybe start with Richard first. What do you think about this topic, tolerance in Ramadan months?
Well, okay. So you want a general perspective or my own perspective?
Maybe we could do your own, not general, because we have 4 different speakers
Well,
here.
Okay. Based on my perspective, tolerance in Ramadan is our main obligation in the society, because in Indonesia, it's not just Muslim who who conduct Ramadan, but
That's right.
in this Ramadan, there are 5 religion, I guess, not just a religion, but several ethnics too. They should contribute the tolerance to everyone, not just a Muslim who conduct Ramadan. But our main purpose is respect with with everyone. We don't try to attract their temptation, like making, or I mean like eating some food in front of someone who fasting.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Because but I don't know, some of my friends tell me that if you eat in front of us, it's okay, because we should keep our temptation.
Oh, so
To not be able to got desire
Oh,
by
I
your
see.
food.
So some of
Yeah.
your friends actually telling you that it is okay to eat, like you don't have to hide it, right?
Yeah, it's okay because that's the
That's
temptation.
the point of fasting.
Yeah,
Oh, that's actually a really really
yeah.
good
I
statement.
actually don't know. Is it a fact or it's just a myth? Probably you could ask Ryan about it. What do you think, Ryan?
What do you think, Ryan?
What?
What's
Yeah, like
yeah, like,
while the non-Muslim
Mhm.
having a breakfast or a lunch in front of the people who conduct fasting, is allowable because they need to keep their temptation or
Oh, okay.
desire.
As a Muslim, yeah,
Yeah.
we have to control ourselves, to not to be angry, because uh, yeah, this is our how to say, like our cobaan. Yeah,
Oh, temptation.
yeah, like our temptation,
I see. I
because
see.
if you as a Muslim, it's no problem. Yeah,
Mm.
for me, in my perspective.
Oh, so
Yeah.
in your opinion,
Yeah,
it's okay for
yeah,
non-Muslim
yeah,
to
it's
eat
okay.
in front of you. You have no problem
Yeah,
at all.
yeah. As my experience, there is how to say, the
Yeah.
child who don't fasting.
All children who
Yeah, children.
does
Yeah,
not
yeah.
do not fasting.
Do not fasting.
Uh-huh.
They eat in front of me. It's no problem.
Oh, so,
As long as we don't angry with them,
oh.
as long as we can control
Yeah,
our
yeah, yeah.
emotion, like that,
That's
like that.
that's actually a very good statement,
Yes.
Rian and Richard. Thank you for adding
Yes, yes, yes.
adding the confirmation, because we also didn't know about this fact.
Okay.
Now we are moving to Gede. Now Gede, as you heard from perspective from the three the speakers, they told some of them are like don't wanna eat in front of our Muslims friend,
Yeah.
and our Muslims friends itself themselves said that it's okay to eat in front of me as long as I'm not get temptation.
Yeah.
So what do you think about this? Should we talk about this, like in tolerance in Ramadan month? Should we not eat in front of them, or is it okay? Like it's not a big deal. What do you think, Gede?
Well, about that, maybe for me is yes or no, because best for my experience.
Yeah.
And while I want to eat or feel hungry, in front of our brother and sister who had
Mm.
fish,
Mm.
sometimes
Yeah.
there are sometimes tolerance about us or non-Muslim
Yeah.
who don't have a fish, but while there are some condition, like while I want to eat, but I meet some people who think that it's not tolerant because it's not they say about me, you should don't eat in front of us because there are some of us who don't have good temptation, or
You mean like good temptation?
I mean
They cannot hold their desire.
yeah, I mean that desire.
Oh.
Yeah, so they asked me, if you want to eat, you can use they tell to me to use sometimes bedroom, or if I want to eat in the classroom
Yeah.
time,
Oh, yeah,
they my class friend told to me, maybe you can eat in side corner of room, and not like to, no, not see to them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't show if you are eating.
Yeah,
So,
not see what I'm eating, because sometimes they sense the smell of my
Oh,
food. Yeah, so
so
they
as long as they don't realize there is food
Yeah.
around them.
yeah, sometimes don't like it about that.
Okay. So, according to our speakers, some of our non-Muslims friends actually have the experience, or maybe you could say they already experienced. Some of their friends ask them to, it's
Don't eat.
okay,
Yeah.
it's okay to
Yeah.
eat in front of them. It's all right. That's one of the point of fasting.
Yeah.
Just because we are fasting doesn't mean you cannot eat.
Yeah.
yeah.
So that's the point of it. Now, but our brother here, Muslim himself, told us that, like you said earlier, that some of our sister and brother from Muslims are very have a little maybe like big desire to eat
Yeah.
when they are fasting,
Yeah.
so they don't have enough courage or maybe cannot hold their temptation
Yeah.
to eating, so they told you to eat at least in not in front of them or
Yeah.
maybe far away from them,
Yeah.
so they do not realize there is any food near
Nearby.
nearby.
Yeah.
So but our brother here said that it is okay
Yeah.
as long as you do not like do it like Well-
If you
you do not do it on purposely, like eating in front of your friends.
I mean, you do it on your propose.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's right. So if that's I think that's considered as childish behavior because you're trying to like canceling your friend's fasting. Yeah. Okay, that's actually a very good statement. Now, maybe we could come to our next questions
Yes.
about this topic that we talk about food related intolerance in Ramadan. And maybe I would like to say from Christopher's, how do you behave in Ramadan? Like, what do you do if the Ramadan month is coming? So, let's say you could tolerance or maybe respecting your Muslim's friend. Maybe like you could answer it.
I get the point. So maybe in Ramadan month, I would usually say greeting for them or happy fasting like that, and maybe I would if I want to eat or drink, I will made a spare myself. I mean,
Mhm.
like I take away the food or the
Crystal, sorry.
drinks.
Maybe you could keep your statement first because we will have to like break it first. So we would back again right after this one.
Okay.
All right. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Hello guys, welcome back again after the break. Before the break, Crystal is explaining about his statement. Maybe you could continue.
Okay. Let me fix my statement. What I mean before is that I would usually try my best or to not add more of my friend or of my Muslim friends' desire or temptation. So I try the best to not make them angry or not make them feel hungry by my action or by my words. And
I
then
see.
I might be say that it's the polite way if we not eat or drink in front of them, even if they don't take a problem with that.
Oh, so
But it's our own consideration as non-Muslims
uh-huh.
to being polite in this Ramadan month.
Oh, so
It's
that's one of the things you do as
Yeah.
tolerating your Muslims friends who are fasting, you
Yeah.
also at least doing a good behavior in front of them, like
Yeah.
not eating.
At least don't plus their temptation and
Oh,
desire.
okay, okay. So you do not like how do you say it? Call their temptation, or
Yeah,
maybe
Or-
taking their desire on eating, or
Or-
maybe
yeah.
other things.
Or purposely make them angry.
Yeah, on
Stop.
purposely that could cancel their
Yeah.
fasting. That's actually a good statement. Maybe you could keep your statement. Before I back to you, Ryan, I would go to left side of me first. Maybe Gede, you could explain on how do you do how do you like tolerance your Muslims friend, or maybe what do you do? So previously we talked about your perspective on Ramadan's month, but now I would like to heard what you usually do, like
Yeah.
it's from yourself
Yeah.
to engaging with others, your brothers and sister that are Muslims.
Well, about what I do during this Ramadan month from my brother and sister who had face. Usually before I'm doing activity, go to college to doing a lecture, or usually I take a mass breakfast from home.
What, you what?
I took a huge breakfast.
So
Yeah,
you eat
yeah.
a huge breakfast.
Yeah, so I don't feel hungry again when I go to the campus. But if I want to bring a drink,
Yeah.
I usually place it inside my bag. So
Oh,
yeah,
I see, I
so, and,
see.
yeah. So even if I feel hungry,
Mhm.
I hold my hungry until the yeah.
So you so in order to not making your Muslims friend get offended, you
Yeah.
actually also doing fasting.
Yeah, sometimes I follow with my
I see.
mother and sister fasting, because I think it's good. It's good too to do fasting, because fasting is there are fasting
Is
is good for health too.
so fasting is a good for health
yeah,
too.
so why not to because
Why not following?
yeah, why content. So for the next year we can be how I can say it biasa.
Getting used.
Yeah, getting used for my
Oh.
brother and sister doing fasting. So after doing that year after year, so I don't doing again from being hungry and
Mhm.
and for my friend again. So
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I see. So from your statement that I can quote,
Yeah.
you basically said that uh, you prioritize your friends' feelings first
Yeah.
before yours. That makes you have to prepare yourself and making sure that you are not hungry when you are at in your college, at least in front of your friends that are Muslims.
Yeah.
You are making sure that you are not eating in front of them.
Yeah, that's it.
I see, I
So I
see. That's
prepare
actually
myself.
very, very good behavior, Gede. But do you think it's like good for yourself? Like, what if you're hungry and get headache because like you do not eat like enough food like you usually does?
Well, about that, I'm not angry about that, because I'm respectfully for our brother and sister who doing this Ramadan, because yeah, this is their holy month that once a year.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see, I see.
So I'm from as non-Muslims. So disrespect about that friends. So
Oh,
I don't
yeah,
want to
yeah, yeah. So
doing
because
something.
it's only once a year, like
Yeah.
only 1 month a
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
So why not respecting them, because this is their holy month?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's actually a very good statement. Now we are moving to Richard. how do you embrace, or what do you do if we're talking about respecting our sister and brother that are fasting? What you usually does?
Well, okay. What I usually does in Ramadan.
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay. Usually, it's not different with my previous activity before Ramadan.
Oh, so it's not very different. Like,
Yeah, because I mean I don't get into Ramadan because I don't I commit fasting. That's why it's just so, and I guess the difference is things I can admire is I love to go to the big fasting event, like
mm-hmm.
every time in Ramadan. Some of my friends invite me to
Oh,
how to say break
break
the
fast
fast,
together.
break the
Oh,
feast.
break the fist together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why I love it during the Ramadan. The things that I love. Probably the second things I guess is the environment,
Yeah, the
because
environment.
uh, it it doesn't has a lot of congestion around the town. Like today,
I see.
we didn't see any congestion, right?
Oh, conjunction. You mean like
Congestion like
jam,
no traffic jam.
traffic jam?
Yeah,
Oh, so the traffic, it's not like it usually does.
yeah.
Oh, I see.
Because in the evening, especially in 6 until 7 or
Uh-huh.
after the Tarawih, the road is quiet.
It's
Is
very quiet.
very quiet, and it's I mean yeah, it's good for me, I guess, because we didn't see anyone in the road like would like to fight each other every time I saw
I see.
ride my bike.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but sometimes in Ramadan, it could be beneficial for me because I could found several food festival during the
Oh,
Ramadan
that's
festival.
that's actually
Yeah.
true. There are so many food festivals during Ramadan,
Yeah,
right?
there are so many dishes.
Oh
Yeah, I
yes.
guess.
And the dishes, it's quite rare. It's
Yeah.
only being held when it's Ramadan only.
Yeah, the sweet things. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I can relate with that. Okay, is that all you could say?
Well, okay. And then probably after the Ramadan, after the feast
Yeah.
section, I guess the how to say Lebaran, yeah. Lebaran,
Oh,
yes.
Eid
Ramadan.
Eid Ramadan.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Yeah,
Mubarak,
in
yeah.
Eid Mubarak, yeah, there are several invitations for me. Yeah, it's
that's what he's
yeah.
waiting for.
be beneficial for me because I could hang out with my friends and having chit chat, and especially having food too.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, just don't be hypocrite. Yeah,
Don't be hypocrite. I see. I see. So you like the food when it's like Eid Mubarak.
yeah.
see.
I just frankly say it's the fact.
Okay. That's actually a very good statement, Richard. You giving us an example about the step on each day on how the you with like living in Ramadan month. That's actually a very good statement. Now I would move
Okay.
to Rian. Okay, Rian.
Yes.
You've heard our three friends here,
Okay.
the speakers who are non-Muslims, on how would they behave on
Mhm.
Ramadan months. And maybe the first thing before I move to the next questions, I would like to ask you, what do you think, or how do you react on hearing their statement?
Yeah, that's good behavior, yeah, because you in you are tolerant with our
Mhm.
holy man, because yeah, we if we are fasting, you are trying to you are not you are trying to not to eat in front of
Oh
us.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, then that's a good behavior, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And about the situation when Ramadan comes,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, like our brother said before, Richard,
Uh-huh.
the road is very quiet. Yeah, that's a rare moment. Yeah,
It
yeah,
looks like you have your own problem
yeah,
with traffic.
yeah, because yeah, as I know, there is a very how to say, there are many traffic jam
Mm-hmm.
before Ramadan, and when Ramadan comes, they are back to their college,
Uh-huh.
and the street is quiet. How to say, is a quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, uh, yeah, it's very rare moment.
Oh, it's a very rare moment.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I see. Is that all you want to say, or there's more?
And yeah, and after we have Ramadan, we have Eid Mubarak.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Then
That's the one that Richard's
yeah,
like.
yeah, that's we run the Ramadan well, and as a Muslim, if we do like Eid Mubarak, like we are born again, like a
Oh,
baby.
born again like a
Yeah,
baby.
start to
see.
zero again.
Start so what's
That-
the sin?
No, start from zero again.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's have a meaningful itself.
Yes.
It has like have their own moment.
Yeah, their own
Ah,
moment.
I see, I
Yeah.
see. Okay.
How to say? Let me speak in bahasa. Ketika kita when we are do fasting, we have hold our
Hunger,
yeah, hungry, our
anger, emotions.
emotion.
Ah.
When Eid Mubarak, how to say? W- kita bisa melepas itu semua.
We could release all
Yeah, release
the
all our holding.
what we are holding.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I see, I see. That's actually a very good
Yes.
statement. Okay. There's one more questions
Yes.
I could ask you.
Huh?
But after these questions, now I would like to hear all of your closing statement or
Okay.
maybe your conclusion
Yes.
about this topic. Now, the next questions is it's a very simple questions. How do you embrace the changing schedule in Ramadan's month? Because I believe you all had like changing schedule, right? In your maybe in your campus and your school, like you usually come at 7,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
because it's Ramadan, you can come at 9 or maybe 8.
Yeah, maybe
Uh,
10.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe start with Gede first. What do you think about in Ramadan? There's a changing schedule.
About that, maybe about the changing schedule during Ramadan month. I think for myself, is there's nothing change a bit.
Oh, there's nothing changed a bit.
Yeah, maybe it just when I'm hungry. Yeah, I can. I must hold my behavior in front of my friend who had a feast.
Uh-huh.
So in addition to handle that, yeah, I'm doing.
You're doing pretty good
Yeah,
about the changing schedule. There's nothing really like changing or stuff.
yeah.
Okay, okay. It's actually that's good. That's good. Good. Now, Rian,
Yes.
how do you behave on changing schedule because of Ramadan's month?
Okay. Yeah.
But Gede, remember, make your conclusion about this topic, right? After these questions, we would go to all of your conclusion. Okay? Okay.
Okay. Let's talk about when I was
Senior high school?
in school.
Oh, so when
Yeah,
you're in school?
Let's talk about when when we are doing fasting during the Ramadan,
Yeah.
the schedule has been changed.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's changing.
it's changing. Yeah, because if usually we come to the school at 7,
Yeah.
at 7 o'clock, there is a ceremony. There is how to say, there is sport.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Then in Ramadan there is no ceremony, there is no doing sport.
I see, I see, I
Yeah.
see.
If there is a sport, maybe that only the theory.
So we only learn.
Yeah, we
in
only
class.
learn not to do it, not to practice.
Oh, I see, because it's going to
It's
like.
going to be hungry and
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Taking so much energy,
Yeah.
making you hungry so fast.
getting exhausted.
Yeah, that's that's very good, making you exhausted. Okay, okay. Thank you, Rian.
Yes.
Christo, what do you think? Yeah, Rian, make your conclusion
Yes.
about this topic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Christo, like I said earlier, do you have a statement about changing schedule because of Ramadan months on how you embrace it?
Okay, for the changing schedule, I think it mostly at the campus, where we usually came at 8 and we go back at 4 p.m.
Oh, 4 p.m. It's
And
at
then at Ramadan months, it might take more earlier for we to go back. So it's might from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m.
Oh.
I think it's a good call from the campus, so it could give time for the Muslims to take some rest while doing their fasting.
Oh, so your campus like making sure that their students could fast very good.
Yeah, I think that's the support that campus could give to us.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's actually a very good statement, Christo. But how do you embrace it? Like, do you have a problem with changing schedule, or maybe it's okay, or maybe you could say that, oh, I'm actually got a benefit from it because I could go home earlier.
Actually, actually, there's a good thing and benefit that we can go home earlier, but it's up to the other schedule again. If there are any other task that we should finish first or some kind of like that, and but after all of that, I think it's more for the benefits we achieve than the negative. So
Okay, 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 okay. Is that all,
I
Christo?
think that's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Christo. Now the last one is Richard. How do you behave on changing schedule on Ramadan? Like, you usually do something earlier, but because of Ramadan, they are expanding or maybe shrinking the schedule.
Well, okay. I actually don't have any problems with the changing schedule because I love it. It's the reason why I love this changing schedule because in my university before, my duration of class it's around 1:30 hour, but in Ramadan they cut it into only 1 hour.
Only 1 hour.
And
Oh, I see.
we should left the class at 3 p.m. and it's very rare moment for me because I wouldn't spend any time in university or stick to the schedule, and I can do a lot of things besides that.
Oh, okay, okay. I see, I see. So your point is, it's good for you,
Yeah,
and it's good for everybody.
yeah. It's the main reason why they cut the class duration
Okay, yeah.
because some of the lectures are having feast, which made them probably quite exhausted.
Exhausted. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now, thank you, Richard, for your last statement. Now, for the conclusion, could you make it a shorter, like only one statement? Maybe we start from Christoph. What is your conclusion about this topic today? Tolerance in Ramadan months.
Okay, for me, my conclusion is clear and simple. Tolerance is needed for all of us, so we could learn how to respect each other. Either it's if we had a different religion, different perspective, or something else that make a difference between us. Tolerance behavior would have be would have been applied in our life.
Okay, okay. That's actually a very, very good closing statement. Thank you, Krista.
You're welcome.
Now moving to Rihan.
Okay.
What is your conclusion about
Okay.
this topic today?
My conclusion for today is about the tolerance. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to be tolerant. Either like not only in Ramadan but also outside of Ramadan.
Mm-hmm.
We have to be like if you like
Always angry.
always like eat the pork,
Uh huh.
like eat pork in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
That's our how to say, pork is forbidden for
For
Muslim.
Muslims. Okay.
Yes, and if you have like uh, like eating pork in front of us, it's like you are sorry, you are not a tolerant person.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And like if we if the another religion do like celebrating their how to say, holy event.
Yeah. Their holy events.
Yeah, holy event. It's not maybe if you have holy event, don't like how to say, there is how to say, uh, there is if you want to do a holy change, just do it on your
own way.
in your I mean on your how to say, tempat ibadah, how to say,
Holy place.
yeah, in your holy place.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
then that's called a tolerant person.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Rian, for
thank you.
your last statement.
Yes.
Now, Gede, your conclusion about this topic.
Yeah, about the tolerance in Ramadan. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the topic. Yeah, I think it's a tolerance is the way for us that we have a different opinion about our thing, about our own cultural self, but with this tolerance that even we are different, that we can we can respect that the difference between us. So yeah, like the said we again
Rian.
Rian,
Yes.
yeah. Even after this Ramadan, we saw tolerance outside in
Oh, we
that.
should
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
tolerance.
Yeah,
in
because
other.
yeah, yeah. If there are some of our friend who had a holy, what's it?
Holy event.
Yeah, holy
Yeah, holy
event.
event.
Yeah, we should keep that tolerance. So in that, we can live in harmony.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Gede. Now, Richard, last statement. Make it. Make sure it's very
Okay,
short because
uh,
we run
well,
out of time.
okay, because we are talking about tolerance in Ramadan, I guess if you would like to commit or have intolerance, it's not just in Ramadan, but in every day, in anywhere, wherever you go, you should be tolerant to each other, respect each other, or other religions. I guess that's all for me. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Richard, and thank you for all of you guys who has been here to be our speakers for today's program. Maybe we could give an applause for us. Yeah, we have finished our schedule now. Thank you for the smart listener and smart viewer for today's program. Now we would have to end it, but don't worry, we would come again next week on the same day, Tuesday at 7 p.m. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channels, and also don't forget to watch it next week. Okay? Okay. Bye, guys.